So today I'm reviewing this ear protection that are called Ear Defense 3000, and I clearly have the blue model, which is EN352-1. So these are pretty thick and blocks out lots of noise, which I really like. They are comfortable to wear because they have quite a bit of cushion. If you can see, this is pretty thick, and also the inside is thicker than most. See if I can make it a little brighter here so you can see. Let's see here. That might help. So they seem to be a little thicker than some of the other ear protections that we have had. So I really like that part. It's also very soft right here at the top, which goes on your head. They really slide in nicely and you put them on. There's a little bit of give right here, so when you put them on your head, you just move this around and it accommodates and work with you. And it's also a little bit give right here. You can see that how the slides in and out. That's sort of how it sizes based on the size you need, if you have a bigger head or a smaller head, you know. But anyway, they fold up nicely as well. When not in use, you can slide them together like so that doesn't take much space. But I really like how well these seems to be able to remove noise. I mainly purchased these to use in the garden, or I shouldn't say in the garden, in our yard when doing either lawn mowing, or we actually have a pressure washer that is quite loud, and it's a gas pressure washer, so I think this will be great to keep our hearing protected, and that's why I purchased these. They are comfortable to wear for a long period of time. I've worn them almost all afternoon yesterday, and it did not bother me. Some ear protection I have had in the past seem to really be a little too tight, so these were a bonus. They were just right and felt comfortable to wear all day long and did not make me feel too warm either. So I really like these and I would recommend them. They also came with 3 packs of these foam earplugs if you would like to use that together, or I guess separately. I personally don't find the need for them because these are enough for me to remove the high sound that I don't want to hear to bother me or to keep my ears safe. So anyway, it's a great quality setup of earphones, and I would recommend them for anyone that's looking for a pair to protect their ears. I was fortunate enough to purchase these discounted, and in exchange I am given my honest and unbiased review. Thank you.